Hey, what's up, guys? Another day, another W. This is today's problem. Compute alternating sum. You're given an array nums. The alternating sum of nums is the value obtained by adding elements at even indices and subtracting elements at other indices. This is nums. Return an integer denoting the alternating sum. Okay, so we're gonna have our answer. Our loop, right? Let's do a little n as well. Okay, our n. So if I is this, do that plus equals this. Okay, also gonna do let's go like this. All right, and then we're gonna just return as. Okay, submit. Okay, guys, there we go. Accept. Alright, guys, that's it for today's problem. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We are on the road to 1K subscribers. Every 100 subscribers, I'm giving you guys a PDF with tricks to solve LeetCode and such problems better for free. So make sure to subscribe and send me proof on Instagram for that. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.